Wacky rig, possibly one of the most efficient fishing techniques that there is. But do you know which way that your hook should be facing when fishing the Wacky rig? This week for our Fishing Tip Tuesday with Red Angle Fishing Products, we are going to show you which way that you should rig your hook and the reason why. We're going to be using our wiggle stick here. You can find this at redanglefishing.com. This is actually our brand new color in the shimmy shad. But like most stick baits that you run a Wacky rig on, you'll have a tapered end to it. And when rigging your hook underneath that O-ring, you want the point of the hook facing the tapered end. And the reason being is that although when you toss out or cast out your stick bait, Wacky rig, it will fall like this for the most part. But as you work it and as that bait kind of starts to absorb a little bit of water, it wants to kind of nosedive with the heaviest end, which is the thicker and denser end. So as that bait goes down, a lot of those strikes happen on a Wacky rig when the stick bait is falling down. So when that happens, that leaves the tapered end facing upwards. So that's the reason why you want your point of your hook facing in that direction. So when that fish comes and bites on that lure that you're using, that hook is going to be exposed to its mouth immediately, causing you to have a lot better success with the hookup ratio.